Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 580 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a matte white wrap exterior over Bianco Monocerus and Nero Ade full leather interior with white contrast stitching throughout. This Huracan is basically in brand new condition and comes well optioned, including matte white wrap, navigation, transparent engine bonnet, sport exhaust, rear view camera with parking sensors, front lift system, 20-inch Mimas wheels in gold, power heated seats, branding, cruise control, and much more.